What's up, y'all? Taking it here today. I want to show you guys what we are doing here over in Winter Springs, Florida. This is a structure that we've been talking over with the homeowner. They didn't want any obstruction because the homeowner that lives here, he loves his view. One and foremost, he loves his ducks. So he wanted to be able to sit in his spa and enjoy watching his ducks out there and in his pool. No, I was just kidding. He hates that part, but this structure he's gonna love. There's not gonna be any bugs. We're gonna use 20/20 screen. We're going all the way from the top here, all the way down to the bottom track. It's gonna go all the way over. The area is gonna be all screened in as well. All the way down here with no chair rail bars, like typically you would see. If you could see where James filming actually did that one over there earlier previously. This was what, like 4 or 5 years ago. And it's still there, no chair rails. We like that kind of view. And I mean, check out the view, guys. Like, why would you not want to have a view like this? I'm kind of a little bit jealous, but this is what the American dream is all about. So they're gonna be sitting in their spa in here, got their rocks. And typically, when you have a regular pool enclosure, you have a bunch of obstructions in the roof. You're gonna have a lot of purlins going across here, and they're gonna be in the way. He told us that he didn't want to do that, so he wanted to be able to sit in a spot and look up and see no obstructions. So we span these beams out as far as we could go on 8 foot, basically about 8 foot in span, and so that way he can just look up and not see any chair or purlin, excuse me, like there's going to be on this side and on that side. And we're still going to fortify the structure, make sure that it's super strong. We're going to put wind braces in the corners, and we're going to put wind braces in each panel at each end. So it's going to be super strong, super stout. Look forward to doing the last filming here. Once all the screen is in and everything is caulked, everything is in place, it's going to be awesome. Looking forward to it, guys. We'll check you on the next video.
When you're in the spa, you need a view like this. So we're doing nice open views here on this job. Nice open panels. So when you're sitting in the spa here, you can relax and enjoy the lakefront view. If you want to make a splash this summer, give Max Screens a call. We'll take care of you.